have a big breaking news coming in when it comes to the Congress viewers. It looks like that showdown is going to happen once again in the Sansad. The Congress MPs are likely to meet any time now. They are going to decide another unique protest outside the Parliament. That's what they are planning today. Remember, this meet is going to happen to chalk out a strategy for protest, and we are playing out visuals of the protest which the Congress has been holding earlier as well. We have seen, Adani Modi jackets, bags, etc., attacking and trying to corner the government over the Adani issue, and looks like the Congress is in no mood to let go of this issue. Another unique protest is what Congress is planning today. Sabyasachi, what are you picking up from your Congress sources? What's the Congress planning today?
Well, today also the Congress is planning to carry out a protest in a unique way. See, from the beginning of the winter session, in fact, the Congress was focusing on protesting inside the House. But after the opposition, several of the opposition parties like the Trinamool Congress and the Samajwadi Party felt that the Congress cannot hold hostage, cannot hold the House hostage just on focusing on one particular issue. After that, the Congress Party decided to change its strategy and start protesting outside the Parliament in front of the Makar Dwar. We had seen that printed T-shirts of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Mr. Gautam Adani. We had seen that Manikam Tagore and other Congress leader wearing face mask of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Gautam Adani. Yesterday we saw printed bags with pictures of Prime Minister and Gautam Adani, and today as well the Congress is planning to bring in a new way and a unique way to protest. Now, as per the Congress sources, the Congress would continue to press on the Adani controversy till the end of the winter session. Now, the Congress is adamant on the fact that they want answer from the central government, and they want central government to hold discussion on the Adani controversy, and whether they get support from other opposition parties or not. Irrespective of that, the Congress party would continue to protest on the Adani controversy till the last day of winter session.
Well, absolutely, and it looks like the Congress is planning once again to corner the government. They are in no mood to let go of this topic, this issue. Is the winter session going to be a washout? That we'll have to wait and watch, viewers.